Nambalenge Songla and Arudili Sumshai.
I would like to wish everyone good morning.
And Kaza Ni Shirin Lia and Soba Soya down, but Ni Mangarin, Soba Soya down, and the Kunsi in the chair and Nimangarin Lia Sunju, the Pansam to Shai Imbre.
For the past 5 days, we have had a break from the puja while a break from the teachings as we had several days of puja and then a day off.
And the Rinis on the Baji Nimasum Zirindia Pajita Sunjur Chad to Simbra.
And so from today, we will have the teaching for another 3 days.
And the Jelia Zirim Nano Chevimina and Kara Juzo Jugi Juzo Regenting Gonda Juni Magic Chair.
And then following the schedule, we have 1 day for the Chö Puja, the string of jewels.
And the Jelia Anne Karade, Genju, Kombasumba Senado, that Nimatamati, Simbre.
And that is followed by our 3rd round of the debate competition. This is the last day.
And the rich of Guinea was true image. The rich of Guinea was the good true image.
And so we will complete the Winter Dharma gathering on the 18th.
Diane Zirimla, Juan Rossibre, Jua Rossibre, and Dada di Tendenske, Kajure, Chomindo, Juan Rossibre, something do.
But I think it is quite possible that we will have to change the schedule. It's not certain. We may well have to change the schedule, though.
And Dana Shingi Chijana Gunjini Majini Pade Par Jikaru Chidensha Wag Nizu.
And it is not impossible that we might have to extend the Gunsha by 1 or 2 days.
That Genju is somewhat savage Jelia, Yanko Chidin Chemagova, Kasu Chidin Chekova, Genju, then Zerimnashi Dorova, and the Jelia, Guju, Koran Yumachi, Nebegagona Hagomanas.
And so we will extend the Gunsha after the competition. The competition has to follow the schedule, but once that is finished, then we don't know, but we might have to extend this by 1 or 2 days.
Member Simge, Tadadi, Kazani, Member Simge, Labja, should they wake up to the Chikade.
And so to continue from the other day, we will be continuing from the section on the precepts for aspiring bodhicitta.
Member Lapsang Asun. That is Member Lapsang Adi, but the Menga Ludochi. Tenju Nalolia, Member Lapsa, Nachi, Debe, Dodo Jixue Shabaruchi, Surdu, Member Lapsang As, Did Dodo Paji, Yusamare. That is Menga Ludochi. Ta Gadambe, Menga Ludochi. 근데 지금 좀 로사를 주들 좀 그래. 아, 제 샘디 편에 전제다. 야, 선생 좀 가나 주지 않도 돼. 말해. 좀. 데려. 초니스 사버려 차와도 야, 선생 좀. 대 제발만 당아 시셔를 라면 좋다. 아, 시셔래스.
And so, as we spoke about the other day, there are 5 precepts for aspirational bodhicitta. These are not giving up on other sentient beings and so forth. And so these are the 5 precepts that are taught in the tradition of pith instructions. Now they come from the treatises, and they're from the pith instructions of the Kadampa lineage.
다 가상우마 디네 녜디 랍자 당부디 심지 르면다와 관리야 도두지 남랭게 소리야다 도두지 대시 슈비미래.
And so the other day I described the first of these 5 precepts, the not giving up on sentient beings, in brief to all of you.
대야 루이게부 마저비 슈변도래. 상기 좀 된들이야 루이게부 마저바사지. 드리지기 다 투아틀레 제샤부 드리지 노지여베미래. 디나로래야 된다. 도도루데 가르수나르사나. 전주 선바사데라베 최직 창임이나 아네 상계 최탐지 최직 상나 상계 최탐지 진토밤베 최탐지 창화的지구 차대야 지금 알았어. 디 최직부디 가르레스 라비미나 심지 르마당와들의 소리.
In the sutra of the questions of the Naga king Anavatapta, this is a sutra that gives a series of questions and answers between the Naga king Anavatapta and the Buddha. The one point, main point that it says is that if a bodhicitta has one quality, then they will be able to uphold all the qualities of the Buddha. They will be able to have all the qualities of the Buddha. And so what is that one quality? It is not giving up on sentient beings.
도나티 가르sun고르사나 심지르메당 지구 마도 매비나 다 도나 심지르메당한데 예비나 나는 상계 최함지 예비이스 심지르메당한데 매비나 나는 상계 최함지 매비이스 와도시 단 도나 상계 최유의 매산한다도 지 너는 상기 공방토야지 왜 매사데 내가디 조디 다지 심진 탐지 르 땅마다 선에라도 심진 르 땅마다 시절로 디디질이야 토디 야레스 소면로 섬 정도.
And so if we do not give up on sentient beings, then we will be able to achieve all of the qualities. We will have or be able to achieve all of the qualities of the Buddha. If we do give up on sentient beings, however, then we will not have any of the qualities of a Buddha. And so the question of whether we have the qualities of a Buddha or not, the question of whether we will achieve the qualities of a Buddha or not, comes down to whether or not we have given up on sentient beings. This is the foundation or the basis for it all.
다드네 데레 다디나네 다다디가 주 심게 초로 규스 셰데베 걸리야 커돌이야 다디데 랍치 셰베 커도 말해 다디다딜이야 무슨 초로 규스므로에 셰데베 커돌이야 무슨 초로 규암 무슨 동시암 무슨 매바 차로하기 데베 규겐디데 충분히나 아니 전주 멤버스인데 고람베 동로레 잠에 차로레 사게 규겐디 셰리 오래 대셰베 커도들이야 당부디 심지르 방와디 샤이머레 다 디네 나외 취시 덴바스 사디 샤나임레
And so this section is actually the section on the causes for losing the aspirational bodhicitta. It's not really the precepts, it's really the section on the causes for losing aspirational bodhicitta. This means the causes that cancel aspirational bodhicitta, the causes by which we lose it, or the causes that make it so that we no longer have aspirational bodhicitta. And so the first of these causes is giving up on sentient beings. And then the next cause is adhering to the 4 dark actions, or committing the four black dharmas.
다 나외 취시 사디마시 이게 랍제 겁리야 심게가 랍제 셰베 크돌리야 나외 취시 사디 세워치리 용거래 다 도나지 최루하다 교바메베네는 교바게바 최바로여 루하스도 산다지 라마기 셀라소바 든젤리아지 고고당바 드랑게 라마다 게외신이야리야 고고당바 다나 신기 교바마 임빈네는 교바체를 주바 라소바 나 내게 가래 가르사다 나베 취시 셰야래 다디심게 라브지 셰베 카돌리아 용거레스.
The 4 black actions are actually described in detail in the sections on the precepts of the Bodhisattva vow. And so these actions include causing disrespect, or being disrespectful of those who deserve respect, or making people regret what should not be regretted. So being disrespectful to those who deserve respect. Those who deserve respect are the gurus or spiritual friends. And so it is being disrespectful to them. And making someone regret what they should not regret is another cause, and so forth. So there are 4 of these black actions, and they are described in detail in the section on the precepts.
다데네 멤버심게 처로 규수버디 가르송으로서나 미튠 비셈게베 처로레소 다들레 약급들 미튠 비셈게베 사디 컨디지를 고고 요르슬라비나 조데 미유기 차네 삼당오면로스 전도 년세게다 간다 미유를 제식 차네 레뉴사네 지랑게 티워치무사디 미유 상게 공방 탐지게버 되는 들이 차리오래 다디기 미유디 티워치모도 미유메 체제 배는 예랑게 냐데로치 질이야 되는 체 대미유도 송이비나 아는 거 미디움이 셈게 봐서는 미유 미디움을 차도 주사네 티버심보다 미유 미디움을 차도 주사네 되게 아니 양 멤버심게 초로레스.
The third cause for losing the cultivated bodhicitta is to develop an incompatible attitude, or adopting an attitude incompatible with aspirational bodhicitta. So what is this attitude that is incompatible with bodhicitta? Well, here attitude essentially means the aim. It means the aim that we seek. In the Mahayana, our aim is Buddhahood and omniscience. And so an aim that is incompatible with that is primarily the aim of the nirvana of the Shravakas and Pratyeka Buddhas. This is an aim that is incompatible with the Mahayana. So when the aim is incompatible with the Mahayana, that is a cause that will make us lose our aspirational bodhicitta.
Member Singe de Dendegita, Shendu Twin, the Chenju Twin, and Dubani de Chadi in Dusana, Simjil Bangwimina, and the Shendu Twin Dubasadi on the mare. That the ne Chenju Twin and Dubasadi, that the come the land between the same gain. Chenju Twin, Tamji can be geta, Chenju Champo Twin, the Mania Cheche. That Chenju Chumus and Rando, Yanaji, Yerang Chenju. Today, 20 years now, 아니 전주 뒤에 사디 요아지 메리브레 레인두산 디기 차는 샤만로스 나고 취시 대한도서다 찬염 그 소리지 전주 뒤에다 신주 뒤에 두발이야 고랑 예 니갈로야 저 찬염 그 차네다 가서 딜이야 가서에 너버도 요구요 인상 내가 나고 취시 때문이나 근데 차네 샤만로스 정도.
So I think actually that here, when we think about aspirational bodhicitta, with bodhicitta there are two wishes. So the wishes are twofold. The first aspect is there's the wish for to benefit others. And the second is that there is a wish for great enlightenment. So aspirational bodhicitta has this twofold wish, these two aspects of the wishes. So if we give up on other sentient beings, then that is contradictory of the wish to benefit others. And if we give up and what is incompatible or what goes against the wish for great enlightenment is if we have the incompatible attitude. So we should be wishing for the enlightenment we should wish for is the great enlightenment of Buddhahood. But if we do not wish for that and instead wish for the lesser enlightenment, the enlightenment of the Pratyeka Buddhas and the Shravakas, then we are no longer seeking the great enlightenment. We no longer have that aim. And so in that respect, this is incompatible with that attitude. The four dark actions are equally incompatible with both of the aspects of bodhicitta. The four dark actions undermine both our wishes to bring others to enlightenment as well as our wish to achieve great enlightenment. And so in this way, I think they are presented as contradictory of these two aspects.
다들은 주베도 맞춰 규네 장살래 판변내도 최시 군이 되버 첨부 제나 초월 셰도 다들 타게 했습니다. 군이 집은 링다 충을 제반에 남의 잠도 셰도 돈번이 슈발에 대리는 멤버스게 쇼에게 초월 셰도 나버때라 아버 도알에 전주스베 돈버돈 규시 송소 나만니보다 라바피와다 로다게바 법에 시왈레 셰네 미딘 비스임 게베 돈버돈 셰송소.
In the jewel ornament about the precepts or the causes of losing the vow of engaged bodhicitta, it says, the engaged vow will be lost according to the bodhisattva levels as follows. If you have committed the four great offenses analogous to the grounds of defeat with great involvement, this is described as losing bodhicitta. It is further stated that the commitment with a medium or lesser involvement will injure the bodhicitta. In the 20 verses on the vows, it states that the loss of aspirational bodhicitta also brings the loss of engaged bodhicitta. In establishing summaries of the levels of the yogic practice, it is said that there are four causes for relinquishing the bodhisattva vow. These are the two mentioned above, abandoning any sentient being from one's intention and indulging in the four actions, and the third, renouncing the bodhisattva training, and fourth, giving rise to aberrant views. Master Shantideva, too, says that engendering incompatible mental attitude will break the vow.
장상 다가주에 장서디 파고통매기 장서 당아주 배배기 소나 안에다 파고통매 제브레 송오래 아니 가나디 송미미나 아는 공부차베 제브레 송오래 다 간다라 공부차베 송네 파고통매기 신디 제브레 슬랍샤나 안바지 야베니가 퉁게면로 다 간다라 제네 자세 나로래 가르송어서나 에 죽돔 처리 규텔에 균이 코네기 엔처주스베게 수림기도 봐 땅원 주고래서 다 균이 부디 가르스나 멤버 처주기 있으면 용수 땅마다 되네 판배내 대비 최래 균이 집에 침부제나스 판배내 대비 최실의 균이 집에 침부제나 디베 침부제나 아나 저주래서.
So here, this is according to the Bodhisattva levels. And when we say the Bodhisattva levels, this is the text by Asanga. Actually, in the Tibetan tradition, we say it is a text by Asanga. In the Chinese tradition, it is said to be a text written by the protector Maitreya. In any case, these are teachings that Maitreya gave and Asanga then took notes on, and therefore you can say that actually the Tibetan and Chinese match each other or fit with each other. In any case, in the Bodhisattva levels, it says that there are only two causes for losing engaged bodhicitta. These are the only two causes for losing the discipline of bodhicitta. And these two causes are to give up the aspirational bodhicitta, and the second is to commit the four acts that are like defeats with great involvement, that is, with great afflictions. So these are the two causes for losing the engaged bodhicitta vow.
당기지 지구지구를 차려요. 심지를 방화사들을 지구지구를 차려요. 다가다 야는 두번인데 스산에 야는듯이 주의고네. 세마르다지 현대tun이 두번려다 현대tun이 려동체바. 야는 청주tun이 려동체바. 가다 간호지관 다가다 심계의 돈주거래. 다드네 판변내들 최시세야디 간다지레 수입니다. 다바지디스 뜻이 가셔를 삼정.
So giving up on the aspirational bodhicitta, this means basically giving up sentient beings, as I have described before. Alternately, you can describe it as weakening or violating your twofold wishes, your twofold aspiration. This is looking at it in terms of the cause. It is giving up your wish to bring benefit to sentient beings. That's giving up on sentient beings. Or you can look at it as giving up on achieving great enlightenment. Both of these will eliminate your bodhicitta. Then the second of the causes listed in the bodhisattva levels are the four great offenses that are analogous to defeats. And so I think it's important to explain what these four offenses are.
다다 판변내들 최시스 두산에 다지당 아우즈는 그 수수타베기 수림 수수타베 동바 셰베 겁리야 자와시사로다. 안에다 자와시야 폐판부 시사주 셰리오바. 지금 배 가서고 순지 자외 아마도 되려. 아니지 판바 시사로지. 용자지 판바 시사로 자와시사주 셰리오래. 니 개념에 손 따가다 개념 다 개념에 용되어 봐. 다 드린 주스 다 용조 개념이 좀 용되어. 맞아. 창조 개념. 나는 저도 따가다 드네 용되어 봐. 다 드린 주스 안에 대저뷰기 따가다 수수타베기 소타르기 도마셰베 겁리야. 자와시든지 판바시스제 셰바난 신기 대단 찬자와 배는 전주 선발이야 다지 내가 처음부터 차대야지 간다 소타르 너무 시베 걸이야 지 편판 바시다 자와시 셰바난 신기 아니 전주 선발이야 대난 신기 배 내가 처음부터 차대야지 최시지 요래스.
So when we talk about the four defeats, the four that are analogous to defeats, these are similar to what we call when we speak about pratimoksha discipline. We talk about the four root vows, the four root precepts. We talk about the four defeats for bhikkhus. We explain them. For example, these are like the main ones, the four defeats or the four root downfalls. These are present for anyone who has the vows from the lay precepts on up. That is, for anyone who has the lay precepts of chaste conduct and on up. And so these are four defeats or four root downfalls that if we commit them, then completely break the patimokkha vows. And similarly, there are for bodhisattvas, there are offenses that have similar that are similarly grave. So, like the 4 defeats or the 4 root precepts of the Pratimoksha vows, they are similarly extremely grave offenses for the bodhisattva discipline.
제가 수수타백이 수수타백이 너무 심해 걸리야 소주바다 마시멜레마다 미장주바다 에너지 미젤라메지 마와 사르다 네 최시 요한디 얼바 어다 대다 찬자와 나 대다 집 가르에 자외기 다 간다 배지 배 체는데 대단 전주 선발을 처음 이미나 안 대다 체라와지 최시죠 알았어 디 최시부디 군지 첨별 제소나 되네 주베도 봐 냠로를 해서 다 군지 지존사데 나 제를 드시게 하체
With the Pratimoksha vows, the 4 root precepts are killing, stealing, engaging in unchaste conduct, and telling lies about superior human qualities. These are the 4 root precepts. And so they're similar or analogous or similar precepts. They're at a sort of a similar level in engaging in the discipline of a bodhisattva. These are a similar level of offense. And as it says here, if we engage in them with great involvement, then this causes us to lose the vow of engaged bodhicitta. And so I will explain what great involvement means later.
다디 디기 판변내도 최시사디 가라가라스 슈입니다. 아니지 녜바도 꿀딜라 차네. 수술이야지 녜바도 꿀디요 아 채도 다 녜바도 꿀디사디 녜바사디 다가나지 뷰아 뷰아라서 들어와 미신다기지 뷰아 뷰아다 안 꿀디스도 산 미신다가 다지 배 수술이야 통로지 그 지단自动요아 진절리가 영화를 차시 시험을 전부 연체체 진절리 차시 전부 연체라 때네 디왕기 녀버를 땅 꾸들을 차be 왕기 아니 소소를 되라체 라나 되라체 시안라 메라체 진대차데 지그레스 때네 심진 동해와 꺄면 거면도 교바 진절리야 다지 소소를 야베 누바 유에시 안 다는 신기 다다 가상 공주시는 신기 가다 지 심진대 동해와 꺄면 거면지 메체 텔라 고엔겹체베기 지공 고엔겹체게 셴네메 다 소소를 된 고엔겹체도야게 누바여게체 이내야 고엔겹 마제체 텔라 최 고사라 최 마더 최 데르 고사라 최 마더 노르데 고사라 노르마더 근데 쉐비미나 디치레스 수바디 아니 생기베 샤바 쉐비냐 다지 생기 눈르르 비체체 가서 생기 다 눈르르 비체체 텔레야 수 샤바 쉐비미나 아니 샤바 텔레 마니에 비체체 라량 어느 콜레지 가서지 콘도세네 아니 미신달지 가서다 가서에 바 동양 지가서 특수시야 다 지게 다는 동양 드레체비나 다 지그레스 다데네 티고 첨부 뽕와스 다 티신 뽕와사데 가나 티고 첨부 노동차 다 디지레스 다데네 타만들라 탐춘 장난 때마오 사데 다디 소부드 차데 이메다 就刚说这少不成呢，这确保刚说的这确保没呢，确保运动多少钱？当然心里这个刚说的这到啊到没呢，到多少钱？你这个数字成呢？那什么钱？这主要是我多啊，那这个的真的是不对么的。 간다 디 최시부디 전주 선발을 처음 보이나 단단하지 아주 수수타백이 너무 시베 가면 저 판바시지에 직보르지 간다 늦지게 내가 좀 개좀 싶지 않대요.
So what are these four qualities, or these four actions that are like defeats? The first of these is to, with a great attachment to gain or to respect. So here, great attachment to a gain or a respect. The gain here means that things that people give you, things that people offer you, that other people offer you. Respect means people looking up to you, treating you well and looking up to you. So when we're really fixated on or cling to the gains and respect, if we then praise ourselves and disparage others out of that fixation, then that is the first of the four actions that are similar to defeats. Another is when there is a sentient being who is suffering, someone who has no protector, no helper, no one to harm them. And while we have the power to help them or protect them, we don't. This is like I explained yesterday. There's someone who is suffering, someone in pain. There's no one else who can protect them. And we also have and when we have the capability to help that sentient being, but we do not protect them, that means that if it's someone who needs to be taught the Dharma, we don't teach them the Dharma. If they need to be given resources or wealth, then we don't give them the resources or wealth. That is another of these downfalls. Another downfall is when someone else confesses something to us. So the other person has made a mistake. They know they've made a mistake and they confess to us, but we do not listen to their confession. We do not accept their confession, and we still harbor anger towards that other being. If at that point we speak badly of that other sentient being and we even hit that sentient being, then this is another of the actions that are similar to a defeat. So it's lacking any forgiveness of other sentient beings. Another quality is another of the qualities analogous to defeat is to give up on the Mahayana. This means giving up or rejecting denying the Mahayana Dharma. Likewise, the last of these is being an imposter. So it's like it is when we don't know any Dharma, when we're not really a practitioner, if we pretend to be a practitioner. We pretend to have a high view even though we don't really understand a high view. We're an imposter, we fool people. This is the fourth of the four qualities that are analogous to defeats. And for Bodhisattva, these four actions that are similar to defeats are like the defeats in the Pratimoksha vows of individual liberation. They are extremely grave offenses.
Negative emotion, show chimbu shibujigi, and that was simi mina. And the Kaswe Cherius. That Kunti chimbu shozu delea Chansare Domini Shubin Devil of a church with Zeshavadam. And Dana Shingi Chansegi Sudimgi, Chanse Liu Namshe, Chanse Sudim Liu Namshe. The name Jeremy Zeshava, Jelamazonga, Chibi Zeshava. Last of the Juna, those Chicago, Tangent Zuru, this is Medallion. Tsiki Kevers of Madu, 20 Kevers, and Medding.
Now these are the four actions that are analogous to defeats. But merely doing them is not in itself necessarily a root downfall. It's not necessarily a downfall. As it says here, you have to do it with great involvement. So if you do it with great involvement or greatly entangled in them, then this is considered a downfall. So the great involvement or the entanglement here means the afflictions. If you have the great involvement or great entanglement, then you have great afflictions. So this is like when you have really strong negative emotions that then you do it. You're grasped by these emotions as you do it, and that is the downfall. And so the level, or what makes the great involvement here, is what is described in one way in the 20 verses on the vows written by Asanga. It's described slightly differently in the chapter on discipline from the levels of the bodhisattva levels, and also it's described a little bit differently in a text on this by the great Lord Tsongkhapa. So they're listed slightly differently, but these are primarily differences of words. In actuality, or in the meaning, there is no difference.
당연 두두 지슈샤나도 두두 다 두두디 가버자 다 두두 슈샤나 증면도 다 군지 첨부사데 간데 샤르사나 다지 당기 샤라 판변내도 위치시디야 지 규미셰바 쩨바스도 양내 양도 렌치즈 뭐에 양내 양도 규제 매버데 베디 노주디 양내 양도 체리아체 and 제발이야 뭐사다 태유 매봐 지기 다 들리지는 저거 말해서 근데가 또 안에 지 시행원에 뭐사 어랑원에 태유가 사서 붙이다 간다 근데 개 매치 지기 되지 다 되네 가신 구워서 수수 근데 논주 셔야 될 자라 가버야 되지 난 신기다 가서 되지 제발이야 맞아다 제외비딘 단동 아니지 가신 거와 드려고는 제대하지. 근데 연대도 다 가신 거와 좀 맞으면 다 되는 제바디 드리소 야부 인생사로 지금 되지기 가수라다 연대도 따라오지. 되지기 통에 다가다 제소나 아니 구디심이 제바 인소 구디체부터 사디 쇼주디 되지다 계슈 다가서 차상 망보셔야됩니다. 지금 가시 다르게 다가다 드레고는 제소는 구디심비관의 제빈스 다 구디심비관의 당기시에야 최시부터 구디심비관의 제소나 아니 전주스베 죽돔 천주에서
Now we're running short on time, but so I'll describe what we mean by the great involvement briefly. So the great involvement that makes these into the four actions that are analogous to defeats. Now the first of these, the first quality is that you have to do them continually. You have to do them over and over again, not just a single time, but you do them quickly. You do them continually, not even though you know they're mistakes. And the second is that you do them, but you have no shame or embarrassment about having do them. You have no consciousness, no sense of shame or embarrassment that they're not okay. So you have no shame or embarrassment. The third is that you enjoy them. You like them and you enjoy them. So in addition to not having any shame or embarrassment about doing them, you also enjoy doing them. And then on top of that, if you then view it as being positive, you view it as being a quality, and you think that's good, this is positive, then that, if you do it in this way, then that makes these into great involvement. And so if you have all of these, then in this way they become the great involvement. So if you engage in the four actions, then the four actions that are like defeats with such great involvement, then this becomes the cause of losing your vow of engaged bodhicitta.
다 대인 주스다네. 다 니나노래야. 군이 집은 딩의 충을 제반 남의 잠도 시도소. 다 군지 치중사디 지당게 예라 망용게 개발을 주면도 삼층도 드린 주산에 다 군지 첨부될래야 연라 망슈디 군지 첨부될 상고요래 다 되네 연라 텔레창 용어데 군지딩 텔레가 창 용어데 나는 군지 총호체 샤고 옆자
Here it says that committing the four great offenses analogous to defeats with medium or lesser involvement will injure the bodhicitta. So here, medium means that there are fewer of the aspects that are present. So with the great involvement, this means that the greatest number need to be present. When there are fewer of these aspects are present, then it is medium. And when there are fewer still, then it is lesser involvement.
드니 다 군지 첨부될이야 연라 다다디 연라 시창으로 소야지다 연라 숨창으로 소야지 순수를 미라니 용데 있으래
With a great involvement, there are two different ways of explaining it. Some people say that all four aspects have to be present. Some say that only three have to be present.
다지당기 군지기 연라 데마 지카르레 군지기 연라 다 망쉐디 시차리 아래 망쉐디 다가서 망쉐디 다 당봉엘레 군지기 연라 망쉐디 셰베이미나 엔다 군지 치중사디 시아 레랍 쳐래 다 군지기 연라 망쉐디마 셰인주사네 텔레 셰당데 루니 용디라 지기 연라 망쉐들이야 시샤지 지기 연라 망쉐들 숨샤지 다디 개발도 그대 충분히 쉬비미나 조디 가와당 구와당 연된도 따와디 가와당 구와 직체 디딩도 연된도 따와디 내용도 산에 다디 직도 지 건구당 연된도 따와디 직도 장용 주산에 아니 연라 숨차 가와동 구와당 연된도 따와디 건구니 당 연된도 따와디 베 체네 수수 샤용 주산에 연라 카갈이야 야와체 주산에 연라 군지 시사도 차디도 드린 주산에 디 준셀 때네 딱한다 디 직도 지머지 개발을 심자
And so in terms of the aspects, then there are different ways of saying it. The largest number, the maximum, is 4. But actually there are different, once we set the maximum, or we determine the maximum, then figuring out what fewer aspects is easy. But there are two different ways of describing what the maximum number of aspects is. One way is of describing there as being 4 different aspects for great involvement. And another way is describing that there are 3 different aspects for great involvement. And the difference comes when we have the aspects of taking joy and delight, or taking delight and respecting, and then also viewing it as positive, viewing it as a quality. When we take, so we have the aspect of delighting in and enjoying, and we have the aspect of viewing a quality. And when these are counted together as one, then that means that the maximum number of aspects is 3. But when we separate them, when we say that enjoying and delighting in it is one aspect, and considering it to be positive is another, and we separate them, we consider them different, then the maximum number of aspects would be 4. So the difference is really whether these two are considered to be one aspect or 2.
단도나 베나 연라 시창와디 장망쉐리아 무지체비미나 다간다 연라 시리 상소는 구리심부 쳐래 다 연라 숨창와디 장망쉐리 무지체비미나 아니 연라 숨창와에는 구리심부 쳐래 대머인비 연라데 상물로 다 연라 니창와 더지미나 구리진 아니 연라 직마도 마상와 더지미나 구리총으로도 샤리 요스래 단도나 연라 멍용기 차네 아니 첨보다 딩당 중국제 야와체과 차리 유스래.
So when we consider the the largest number of aspects to be 4, then if all 4 of these aspects are present, then it is great involvement. If we consider the maximum number of aspects to be 3, then if all 3 aspects are present, then it is great involvement. Otherwise, if we have 2 aspects present, then that would be the medium involvement. And if there's only one of the aspects, then it is lesser involvement. Basically, this means that whether it is greater, medium, or lesser involvement depends upon the number of aspects that are present.
양 소수디 아주 뭐자 체유 뭐자 치중기 관에 뭐자의 체유 치중관의 샤르비치 도시 연디 알다디 예 마시엔다 망부시에샤 참는 고추네 요서 말을 드리 주스안에 다디 슈모체.
In the 20 verses on the vow that was written by Chanchu and also in an explanation by Dusum Khyentse, it is explained that the greater and lesser involvement depends upon how much shame and embarrassment we have about this. But I shan't go into that in detail here. If we speak about too many different things, you'll all get confused, and so that's not necessary now.
도나직 판배내의 위치 시순주 산에 다디 지 판바던 잡으려 했어라. 저나도 판배내의 시제 즉决断的 디스 만라데 마도 지키바 커도라 샤면 아니 판바당 잡을 기 최시 아레스 다대한 판바던 잡의 규제는 가르 사람 베네샤샤와 이미나 아니 지 판바시에서 당부디 미상주 판바도 시여래 대시두산에 대다 차송아 아니 전이기 녀바도 구딜에 차네 달로 되바도 시나 메바차디 아니 미상주기 판바다 차송아레스 차송아 좀도 마세베기 미상주기 판발레 다지 구토바스는 장도 송가와 버지 송가와스는 장도 다가다 가주에 다 송가와스는 저것도 다가도 부수 도바로 지세는 저것도 알아 가주들이 차려 알았어 안 다는 신기下降 딕바사디 신기 샥바체베이네 델레직 인지게르다 forgives 두산 다죠 구양으로 당하셔다 개발민도 이랑 구양 당베이 쇠바셰베 인사르 근데 마셰베체 라라켈로베 디진 초바체바디 에너지 소제베 판바다 제수 뒤마도치 남규영 아주 소소타베걸로 소제베사데 소제고요래 이제 전주 선배기 qab리야 아니 신기 샤워체베 델바 마녀베치제 바 수수비 도다 육벌로서베 그 동베이네 대한베 소제베다 제수 뒤마 소제베다 잡고인스 디니주산다 고랑기베 지카르 체노부디 치신노부디베 하장기 가수에 토시라 인제베치 드레송거래 드리주산 텐더부치 간다 가수에 안 대직시 안 다는 신기 워들이야 담전 장난 때문에 지단기 지 최면바 최주어 더부 잠시 모임바 금들이야 베나지 티과 쳔부기 뇌도 규바 지 인기리야 텔레 티과 쳔 마뎀비시시 어따 교랑 소소타베 돈바데 베케신 버레 자천 버레 니 교랑에는 냠네 치사 없었지 티과 쳔부 뇌도 규바지 인베네 텔라 다지 디기 뇌다 참밤 디 삼바다 참베고 최 마뎀비시시 최 신지 디 사무레 디 자천 버레 시베 템베미네 디 다가다 아주 주미줄라메 준시에 지고로 소르식 가다 주고서로 자디 유스네 디니주스타 디균젠데네 다가 소소 타바다 두루 임비나 초진이 다 송가와서는 장도 냠서 랑가 랭가와서는 장도 간다 치시디 토여 되지 두심이다.
So these are called the these are called the four actions that are like defeats. So saying that they're analogous to defeats or like defeats means that they are similar to the defeats of the pratimoksha. The way that they're similar or analogous is like they're with is like with the defeats. You know, with the defeats we have the four defeats. The first of these is performing unchaste activity. And so, if we, out of attachment to out of attachment to gain and respect, we praise ourselves and disparage others, then this is said to be similar to committing unchaste activity. And so, it is similar to this, but actually, it is a much higher standard. It is a greater level or a more strict vow, and it's harder to actually put into practice, harder to actually keep, because it is a much higher standard. Likewise, the second of the four dharmas that are similar to defeats is when we don't listen to other people's confessions and don't forgive them. So if we don't forgive someone, they've done something, the third of these, we won't forgive them. We say that we won't bear with it, even though they confess. But we still threaten them. We still beat them, and so forth. Then this is said to be similar to killing in terms of the pratimoksha vows. So in the pratimoksha vows, the defeat is to actually kill. You actually have to kill another sentient being. But in terms of the bodhisattvas, it's not necessary to actually kill. Instead, it's that you have that someone else has made a confession, you refuse to forgive them, and you still beat them with either stones or rocks or so forth. And so this is said to be similar to killing, but again, the standard is much higher for the bodhisattvas. Likewise, the next of these is when we don't give the dharma to people, or don't give people the appropriate dharma that they wish, and this is said to be similar to teaching. This is said to be similar to lying about having the superior human qualities. So, if there's someone who is an appropriate vessel for the Mahayana Dharma, who is able to receive the Mahayana Dharma, but we refuse to teach them the Mahayana. And instead we say, oh, you should practice the pratimoksha. It's much more important to do this. First practice that. So there's someone who is able to receive the Mahayana teachings, and we refuse to teach them, and instead teach them something else, saying it's better for you to teach that. Then this is similar to lying about having the highest human qualities. So in this way, when we compare these four actions with the defeats of the pratimoksha, then on the one aspect they are much more difficult to keep, and the standard for them is much higher.
Number 10 about duales. Number 10 about duales. Namani would have lava pure the Loda Gabo. Robin Shwalish and Jimmy Sim gave you Tombaton Shesons. Shona Chiche Betamne. Maybe Sim gave Shona. Majita, someone can't lose her. The name of Lota. Shona Chiche Betamne, Sadrima law. Maybe Sim gave Shona La Lambe, Sorchudo. Jube Tomba Shawa line. Maybe Sim Sharon Juba, Shoratini. Member Sorchu, Juana, Sorchudo. Gushingi Tomba Shawana, La Languso. Pabene de Bushel Kuni Dibber, drink the Chun Chavane, Shakwe Chogo, Teta Dombani Shubal, Dombalan Law, the Sabat in the Sumlisha, Chicken Dune, Laman and Yomo, Mimon, Daxim Shin, Sunso, Tamji Shin, the Tabaran Musican, Chungisim, Yonso, Liu de Gubao.
To continue reading the text, as for how, if lost, to restore the vow, if it is the aspiration vow that has been broken, it can be restored by taking it again. in the loss of the engaged vow by virtue of having lost the aspiration vow, then rectifying the aspiration bodhicitta brings about automatic restoration of the engaged bodhicitta vow. If the vow of engaged bodhicitta has been broken due to some other cause, it will have to be taken again. If it is lost due to committing the 4 offenses analogous to the grounds of defeat with medium or lesser involvement, this can be rectified through declaration and purification. The 20 verses on the Bodhisattva vow says, one needs to retake the vow with middling pollutant, confess it to 3, and in the presence of 1 for the rest. For those with lesser afflictions or none, purify them in your own mind. This concludes the 9th chapter discussing the proper adoption of bodhicitta from the ornament of precious liberation, a wish-fulfilling gem of sublime dharma.
다 지난기 창동 기 동주리아 공도 시에베기 동주 델리 시에베기 동주 시에 여르베스나 다 동주 시에야 다 베너지게 가사데 라바퓨와다 록다게바다 라소바데 제가 동주 시에 여르베스.
You might wonder whether there are other causes that might cancel the bodhisattva vow. And there are. These would include returning the precepts of the vow and developing wrong views.
다들 치르죄에 탑디 다다가 공시에는 신기 간다 도바 동주 총미미나 치주 거리셔로나 면심 동베이미나 치주 체다 주동 동베이네 치주 체다 소소도 소아래.
Now, in terms of how to restore the vow if it has been canceled, then there are different ways to restore it. There are the methods for restoring the aspirational bodhicitta, and it also describes the methods for restoring the engaged bodhicitta.
다 샤워 치주 시단들이야. 베란 죽돔 동의미나 멤베스임 쉐벤 죽보쇼 같으네. 멤버 서주비 죽바야라시 서주비 인수하더래. 드린주사는 다다디 천주선배의 도바티 수수탑에 도마다 미저와 랍네베 개바 예수로 대야 하는 지 자세가 나올래야 천주선배 수름기 도바 양다발라와 친네베 개바 예수 소매 인주사네 에너지 소타르 도바디 동주 중나 에너지 가르쇼에 친네베 개바 메바 대다 미저와 천주선배 도바디 동주 중부이나야 친네베 개바 예수로.
In terms of how to confess and restore, the way one confesses and restores this, it's said that if one loses the vow of engaged bodhicitta because of losing aspirational bodhicitta, then one can restore it by restoring the aspirational bodhicitta. Basically, the bodhisattva vow is different than the vows of individual liberation in that they can be restored. This is as said in the bodhisattva levels. The discipline of a bodhisattva can be restored, whereas the discipline, unlike the discipline of the pratimoksha vows, which cannot be restored, the bodhisattva discipline can be restored, and in this sense, it is different.
And 다른 신기 가르에 파바니 얼코이 슈벤도에 나로래야 전주 선배에게 동안 셔주 다들다디 망고지로에 가르에 가사 줄을 샤와다 가사 알을 샤와다 가사 지를 샤와라 소바디디 망고지 송대야디 성으로 파바니 얼코이 슈벤도에 나로래야 동의 지향이 개발하기 에는 동안 집어다 탐제 엔다지 가사 가래 줄 샤고 바다 대래 녀바 이 중세 양화되다 섬지 알 샤고 에 드네 마지 가사 질 샤고 샤고라 소부터 방부 송요 그래.
In the sutra requested by Upali, it says that when we confess violations of the Bodhisattva vow, then we confess them either to 10 individuals or to 5 individuals or 1 individual. So as it says in this sutra, as it explains in the sutra requested by Upali, if we have a grave violation, then that needs to be confessed to 10 different individuals. If it is less severe, then it can be confessed to 5, and if it is still less severe than that, it can be confessed to 1 individual. So there are different numbers of individuals that they have to be confessed to, depending upon their gravity.
And 다는 신기 파바남 개념 부근 도에 나로래야 에너지 전주선배기 자동 충분히나 전주선바 남 개념 볼래야 차선에 대민이전에 샤고차 지 밀럼도 파바남 개념부 가수래지 다가르래 지기 다데 다망부죠 다디 시험거자 간다 파바남 개념 볼래야 차선에 대체는 전에 샤고치주 개바지 소요임브래.
In the sutra requested by Akashagarbha, it also says that if a root downfall of the bodhisattva vow occurs, one can call Akashagarbha by name and confess to him. So you call Akashagarbha by name, the bodhisattva Akashagarbha by name, you prostrate to him, and then you confess. Then you can confess the downfall.
단 도나 용자를 샤고치주 레다제 레라라 즉 사주 체와 선행자도 용자 차례를 갖는 거라서나 다다디 provincial 시와레기 준주 나로네 니다 세모 렌스 풍부수모 된차신 수모는 신기 풍부수면도 아주 용자를 동샤 쓰거래 풍부수면도 쓰거래 다디 니네 좀 천년 정도 돼야지 수인 말에.
But what's most well known and what our most common practice is that in order to confess and restore our downfalls, the practice is that we do as described in the Way of the Bodhisattva by Master Shantideva, where he says, recite 3 times each day and night the sutra in 3 sections. And so we recite the sutra in 3 sections. This is commonly known as the Sutra of Confessing and Restoring. So we recite this 3 times per day and 3 times at night.
동샤디 야갈이야 순수지리야 동샤디 야갈이야 베미시베다 가더 디종 디버종아베 개침부시부지베 슈침부시부지 쓰기 유스래 제자베 디버침부시부지 제샤 디수이기 에는 동샤령거레스 마도는 유 시란도 요마레스 답변은 드레르세메라 자동 소르든데 전수스베 자동 충분히나 동샤령거레스 마도는 유 드린도 요마레스 에는 야가르디 주기 배발래야 야가든데 개방하면 별이야 용연든데 아니 별이야 용두산에 엔디스 라브레스 오 별이야 동샤 균균체급에 미디보치 여반다스 배바드 상만 동샤 배 니마타바는 되는데 오르바 별에 배 동샤 균든 되는 공기 미디진 시부든데 유사레스 다고즈 되지 가트레 켄사사체 된데 기시에브레스 된데 랍스에브레 제자 별이야 동산 되야지 차례 쉬우지 슈천부지 다집중입니다.
In the Indian practice, in the Indian tradition, the sutra in 3 sections was considered to be the most important purification of misdeeds and the most powerful purifier of misdeeds. And so when one had done an extraordinarily strong or grave misdeed, then one would recite this. They did not recite it frequently otherwise. They did not recite it normally. And so when there was a misdeed, such as one of the root downfalls of the Bodhisattva vow, then they'd recite it, but otherwise they would not ordinarily recite it. And so when Indian masters would come to Tibet,
Indian people.
Yes, when Indian masters or Indian people came to Tibet, they said that, in Tibet there must be so many wicked people, so many people who've done such terrible misdeeds, because they recite the Sutra in 3 sections every day. They must have done such terrible misdeeds. They must be terribly wicked people. And so it is said that there were people who spoke like this. In any case, this shows that the practice of reciting the Sutra in 3 sections spread widely in Tibet.
다배는 자게나로 제이는 제규난데리아 그다디 88포자디 그다디 상기 제주 탐배기 상기 제주 겹게기 안다지 첸네 전 차세야 다디네 지어래 디나로래야 아니 동샤라 수송아 기 첸네 여래 이나야 다들 풍부순변도 버지 풍부순바대야 차상화지 장도 위기 말해서도 가르사나 풍부순바사디 차세의 풍부 안에다 제수 이랑 풍부 오해 풍부세 버지 송대 여빈 상 풍부순대 차상요 말해 제자 양시 총나 풍부순변도 동샤 코란되는 양시래 다지당 코란 드네 가르소디 상기 저주케 잡게기 체 되면은 디나로리아 동샤 라수성의 체는 상디어 봐. 얘네 디 풍부수변도 왜 차상어를 버지 차도 이만한 정도.
In the Chinese tradition, there is the sutra of there is a text. There's a tradition of reciting the 88 names of the Buddhas, and so one would recite and prostrate to the 88 different Buddhas. Now, within the 88 Buddhas, the names of all 35 Buddhas mentioned in the Sutra in 3 sections are present. But even though all their names are present, that doesn't necessarily mean that the whole Sutra in 3 sections is included within this. And the reason for this is that the Sutra in 3 sections has 3 parts. It has the section of prostration, the section of rejoicing, and the section of dedication. And not all of these are present in the 88 Buddha practice. And so, because of this, if we commit a grave downfall, the best thing to do is to recite the sutra in 3 sections. Within the names of the 88 Buddhas, there are all of the names of the 35 Buddhas are found there, but the entire 3 sections of the sutra in 3 sections are not complete.
단도나 치주되래야 파파 통매에게 가르송 버렸으나 되네 가사 군지 침비 제외 이미나 돈발라 랭고레스 군진 딩다 충우 정보 이미나 안고 샤바지 제외 좀시 저거데스 샤바체션 저거데스 다 샤바체세기 유이들이야 망용지 송이버래 지 가사 숨만 군지 딩기 제외는 가사 숨만 대연죄 샤바체고레스 군지 충우 제외 이미나 가사 찍은 균이 샤바체나 저거래 송아르치 다들이 두스다네 다디디에 투샤고했습니다.
Now, in terms of restoring the vow, the noble Asanga said that this depends upon the degree of involvement. If we have done it with great involvement, then we need to retake the vow. If we have done it with medium or with lesser involvement, then we can confess the vow. But there are different numbers of people to whom we have to confess. If you've done it with middling degree of involvement, then you should confess it to 3 or more individuals. But if you have only done it with lesser degree of involvement, then it is okay to restore it by confessing it to one person.
야, 타지도 강사 지금 윤 샤바체고야지 유스만해. 가주래 쇼유 강사 매밤. 그 유예경 델리아 람상 지 가출에 샤투야기 내다로지 자기는 만점이 이미나 안다지 라마다 구조가 지향을 베제 수수 다지 라마다 땡기 정도 라마다 구조가 땡기 정도 배 닝타반은 봐 샤고체 되게 재미네야 저거 알았어.
Also, one does not categorically have to confess them to an individual. If there is no person to confess them to, or if there is a person to confess them to, but the situation does not allow, and you can't immediately go and confess, then you can imagine that there is the guru and the three jewels. In front of a representation, you can confess it, and that is also fine.
아직 시야도 디마션드스 다드네 주주가 주의 전주도 심게 내기 랍자네 니디 멤버 전주도 심게 랍자도 주고 전주도 심게 랍자고 텔라 당보 쳐발라 dom니 심지 르메 당한데 심지 편유 제자 순이 사버를 잡아도 양한 장심 잡아도 가나 최계란도 나베메 랍자도 시야하고 대다자 당보니 전주 있음입니다. 미저로 탑소. 이번에 전주 있음이 미년배 탑소. 수번에 전주 있음이 또비게 탑소. 시번에 전주 있음이 피외 탑소. 나번에 전주 있음이 미제배 탑소. 대라 당보 심제르 미당와라 라바 시에자 전주 있음이 미저로 탑시에나 마주비시변 돌래냐. 전주 섬 최식다 되는 나바 탐지기 초다데 상계기 최는 용수 진도 최지부 강시에나 심지 류용수미동 셈소 제송디 대양 심진 강하다 달 미리버지 제베 다텔라 심 양싱니 샤사와다 제디 진짜 켜라 진짜 켜라 펜톱에 뒤중아 펜 미다 네바동에 뒤중아 미도냐 심게만 심제로 당와 이노 대양 심제 탐제로 당와라 사람 지금 려 당와라야 세르세시나 심지 탐제를 방법은 니란니가 남니 뭐이 봐 차다 정글라야 미용데 되나 심지 지금을 당에 이제 튼수기 있는 공수 님비 말렘나 장심 초로 대달 심지를 방식 랍자 시야는 내내 전주스버 켈레버 신도 밑에데 배는 부직 부세는 부이 제소보다 라고 대나 심지 달라 펜도 받는 전주기 심 가나 초디 내가 제발 초도 예배 대라 켜버도 니지게 펜데 주버 차오 니네 담반남지 출루인도 지게도 펜달렌도 뇌제를 양랭이지 신별이 전부니기 계셔는 예배래야 리베데 셰송소.
And now to continue reading from the 10th chapter, Precepts for Generating Aspiring Bodhicitta. The precepts relating to generating bodhicitta, aspirational bodhicitta, are two. The precepts relating to aspiring bodhicitta and the precepts relating to engaged bodhicitta. To present the first, the synopsis is the following. The precepts of aspiration are summed up in 5 points: to never mentally abandon sentient beings, to remain mindful of the benefits of that mind, to gather the 2 accumulations, to repeatedly train in bodhicitta, and to nurture the 4 white modes of action while abandoning the 4 black ones. Of these 5 points, the first consists of the means for not abandoning bodhicitta, the second the means for preventing bodhicitta from degrading, the third the means for strengthening bodhicitta, the fourth the means to increase bodhicitta, and the fifth consists of the means for not forgetting bodhicitta. To explain the first, namely, to never give up on any sentient being, which constitutes the means of ensuring that your bodhicitta does not get lost, or is not lost. The questions of the sutra requested by Anavatapta says, what one thing could bodhisattvas possess that would embrace every quality of the enlightened one, endowed with the best of everything? It is the aspiration to never abandon any being from their intentions. To abandon beings from your intention means, for example, no longer feeling any sympathy for a being who has treated you unfairly, thinking, even if I could help you, I wouldn't. Were I able to save you from harm, I wouldn't. If you think like this, you have excluded someone from your compassionate intentions. Does abandoning beings from your intentions, or giving up on sentient beings, mean all beings or just one being? Except for Shravakas and Pratyeka Buddhas, no one abandons all beings from their mind. Not even birds of prey or wolves do. Thus, someone who has mentally abandoned just one being who not rectified that within one watch of the day has lost bodhicitta. This means that those who exclude beings from their intentions while engaging in bodhisattva conduct, yet still think of themselves as bodhisattvas, are completely mistaken. That would be like clinging to your only child's possessions after having killed him. It is quite possible to drop bodhisattva attitude even toward those who have been helpful, so the risk of losing it towards those who are harmful is indeed high. Therefore, paying special attention to practicing compassion toward the latter, you should always try to help them and make them happy. This is the way of the sublime beings, for it is said, even if your kindness is repaid with harm, cultivate compassion in return. The most excellent beings of the world respond to even the negative with goodness.
다다 모델라 찬주기 쌤 미저웨 텁수 아네 가르에 심절르미 동안 알아봤어한테 임레 다디 가장이 공도 가르에 쉬심바 다데레 나가지 뭐 쉬었겠는도.
So here, the first is the cause for not losing bodhicitta, and this is not giving up on sentient beings. I described this the other day, and I haven't anything else to add.
가자. 다디 간데 챤나디 주주싱만 계중엔 로는 거 말해. 아. 년조. 년람서 찾아만다. 야야. 다들이야 나중에 너는 나 시라지다 제바스게 아야 다드네 가사디 다마시 가상만 시에사다 르도다 그래서 가시 중요한로는 가지래다 니엔로는 칼라 자세 사쇼다 다디 가서 다 추사 그래 오래 다디 가상 상으로 쉬사래 다들이야 안수 배수인지 분배 나눠래야 안들이야 디지어라 가서 배수인지 분배 나눠래야 변로 가시 샤요래 배직디 두 부이 배사 샤요래 다디 시안 죽으면 삼성.
And so I've explained most of this before, but there is a text, the Vase of Jewels, that gives many analogies, and I thought that I would like to explain one of these. The first of these is the monkey baby.
두 부에 배사를 가르치잖아. 두 마음에 숨여res. 다 마음에 숨스도잖아. 두 아마지시 부직시 범어지 제 숨여res. 주 마음에 숨여res. 주 아마지 부직 범어지 숨여res.
And so this example is of the monkey's children is of there are three monkeys. There is the monkey mother, the monkey son, and the monkey daughter.
다주 마음에 숨디 아니 신게 나로래야 Koran Kashwe, some Shingena Droche, energy Kashwe, Sajur with the day, Domido Tagars. That is Shimbe Tabotigi, Nimachil Shimbe Tabotigi, the Tony, and of course, Tails, Dota Yubakun Tails.
So the three monkeys would go into the fields, and when they'd go into fields, they'd go into fields looking for something to eat. And when he'd see them there, then the landowner, the owner of the fields, would chase them off with sticks and stones.
Did you say two Amatigi, two Amati Putilia, Jebayoris? Putile that Jebas and a Gayoris. Chesa Puti Jeban, Bangala Kur. That Pomoti Shira, because of Tesm Jebayom, take a roll Kur as a person.
So the monkey mother really loved her son, loved her son a lot, so she carried him on her chest. And the daughter, she didn't care for quite as much, so she carried her on her back. But when she tried to climb up the tree, there was no way she could get up the tree, right? And so she put her son down and climbed up the tree, and she got all the way up to the top of the tree, and when she got there with her daughter, she looked down, and there was her son at the base.
Yaburang Majena, Chicaru King of this stage, Chicaru Cheju Lobot of this Chayona. Did you stand a Simjan at Dansim Gigaris, Dansim Kenny, Simjan Yaw Tondrones, or the Bugi Cherana Dawachari orders? Kambudi, Budi, Bu Amadegi, Pudelia, Jebachin, Bangega, Kidwache. Only Tane, Nanga, Luyan, Dewa Lutan, Yusua.
So this is like the way that we try to benefit beings. So for a while we actually it's like for a while we actually have the wish to do this, but then there's some situation where maybe there's one sentient being whom we really like. But then something bad happens, and maybe someone treats you badly, and then we get angry at them, and we start dividing and discriminating between sentient beings. It's like the monkey mother. The monkey mother at first really loves her son so much, but when it really comes to the difficult situation, what does she do? She leaves him behind and runs away.
Energy simply pain Chabalaya, Lavercha. That in Bare that de la pain you go she last of us soon. That is any shouldn't do me or something.
Next is the section on the benefits of bodhicitta. So there are the four gateways to remembering this, and I think I will speak about these tomorrow.
That was it in the and the mistake Garjueta. In Kazan, and the children that way, Savage Young, Sandrone, children that way, Savage Young Alea, and as we began, trading, Jimmy Church summer, Church Shinki, and Chondo, Nazu, Dembagave Chonde. And the Dembagave Chonde, 엄마 그냥 가시지 시행기래 가시지 시행기 말해 다들 때문에 예비 초가대 가르를 슬라위미나 다들 상계 순지 아래 탑을 개발 질렌 사변 도사지 질렌 사변도 니 먼저 니 아래 야가는 벽에 돌아 야가는 유샤바지도 변이 유샤바지 그래서 야가는 유샤바지 니 아래 다들 탑을 개발 좀 질렌 사변 도사지 야가는 유샤바지래 디 나로래야 엔다 기구 담은 침묘기 다 군거여기 다 간다 상계를 쉬어로 표제 디 규견체는 상계 때문에 즉 구매로도 충초바로도 충무이버래 디 디거진 제령 소로 제제 아니 다 지인제냐 백업 섬으로 지인제냐 백업도 와지려 가는 바로 지 제사 지 어레 진다지 세계 된다지 세계 섬으로 진다지 세계다 된다지 세계야 아니 팀계 뇌대사 아주 순하라 다들 팀계의 파지 아주 년에 연락계대 인브라 섬으로도 다 이내양 다 년에디 니샤 집에도 딱하 제자 그런데 뒤에 년에 좀 많이 봐 티버 신비기 년에 사람도 티버 신비 소송도 봐 다디 내가 벌써 저기 살에 섬으로도 때문에 뒤 준선 되네 넌 대제순 장네 아주 티버 신비 소송도 말이야 지금 다디야 통말 지기 가수에 파바체레스기 뉘리아지 파바체레스 넘버에 되체 엔디 군뉘리아 가수에 티버심 소송도 말래 엔디제 파바체레스 꾸이 넘버티니 엔다 군거올이야 주라 이제 몇 차지 또 주차도 쇠셔래
The other day, on the full moon day of the first Tibetan month, the month of miracles, at the Mahabodhi temple underneath the Bodhi tree, we recited the ritual for the Dharma to flourish. Perhaps some of you know about this, perhaps some of you don't. So to explain what this sutra is, or what this ritual is, there is a sutra called the Sutra of Skillful Means, Repaying Kindness. And this is translated from Sanskrit into Tibetan as well as into Chinese. There are two versions of it. In the Chinese translation, and so this is from the Chinese translation, and within that there is a section, a passage describing how Mahaprajapati got Ananda to request the Buddha. This was the condition that allowed women to go forth and become ordained in Buddhism. So this is as a way of expressing gratitude for this. It is said that on the vernal and autumnal equipoises, so on the vernal and autumnal equinoxes, one should take the eightfold discipline and recall Ananda. So the eightfold discipline probably means the 8 aspects, the 8 precepts of the fasting vow. And so similar to that, here we didn't just take those, we took the Mahayana Sojong vows, which include all 8 precepts, and I think that this is fine. Then following that, following that tradition, we take the Mahayana Sojong vows, and so first we imagine Avalokiteshvara in front of ourselves. We imagine that we are taking the Mahayana Sojong vows from Avalokiteshvara. And then we imagine that Avalokiteshvara then transforms and becomes Ananda.
관에 용내 초가차지 주지시 바로 주지시에 관에 용내 초가치가래 배나 결론만 빠메고 룩 용내 초가도 많지 바로 제 주지시에 관에 용내 초가치가래 지 단계야 라 현기 관에 이름들 바로 라 현기 guaniya, Yune Chacha, the Chad the Dreaming Kashistu. In a Yonda Langa, Yune Chacha di, and the Jersey Guane, Yune Chachiore. Cheza, that Yune Senamasana, that's all the Tivachim Social Shattered in Brava, and the Industane, and Dera G. Korashu Kashwe. Teni Tiguze and Jersey Guane, Tambo, Jersey, Kashu, Dun Jersey Yobiche, and the G. Tin Dune, Tivachim Social Tomaliache. That DJ Gungo, Papa Jersey, the Gungo number 2 to Simbere. That they can do is Shuvimina Gumbulu in Zeshava Jersey, Chalon Jendong, Drutochi, and the Pegator Yare. Overlooking several research. Tea Nalolea, Mudu Lembecolia, Tangudu Lembasummer, Mudu Lembecolia, Catulia, and Papa Jersey, Teen Dune Tele Marbepachi, that's the Sabatum Lucana, Papa Jersey, Gundun Telea, Papa Gungochi, Yebe Mevachi. Tell us so at them, Mudu Karen, Derby imminent, Papa Gungo tell us so at them, ne? And then you go to Shach, the Digi or Gobulu Church. Chazan Gungo did a jealousy della, Jabberji, which then on the use. Cashin dog hashing on jealousy, but Gungo the jealousy in the British house of the day, share of the day you say. Kandaka in a minute, the Digi, Gobulu Zeshabe, Chadon Jendonki, Chocolate Chignalo, the dish too. And the Hindustane. Tig Junzengere and Dana Shingi and Gobdeliachi Gungo Dig Nijishimbu, that Nijishimbu Guane, Kanda Pumelia, Dombachia, Tolia, Guangita Nijishimbu Guane, and the Sangelia, Gumanzala, so but the was not it. Chezan, Teanji, Tuzishimbu, Kajwe, Yamle, Chimbu Chadi Ore, the Indus and Dea Power Jersey. Zavada Namda the Chesuma in Bindusan, the Jay Chanache, Kanda Papa Jerry City, Gungo number 2, and Delia Sunday Molam Cha to see so you.
No, actually, there is a ritual, we have many Nyungne rituals. There's the Nyungme practice that we normally do. We do the practice with the 11-faced Avalokiteshvara. That's the Nyungme that we normally do. It's the one from the tradition of the Bhikshuni Palmo. We visualize the 11-faced Avalokiteshvara for that Nyungne practice. There are other Nyungne rituals, Nyungne practices that you do the practice in the presence of other deities, but the most well-known one is doing the Nyungne as a practice of Avalokiteshvara. And when we talk about doing a Nyungne or a fast, primarily this means that we're doing a practice of the Mahayana Sojong vows. And so here, similarly, we first visualize that we are in the presence of Avalokiteshvara, and then in his presence, we take the Mahayana Sojong vows. And then Avalokiteshvara then transforms into Ananda. Now the reason for this is there is a ritual written by Nagarjuna of the thousand-armed, thousand-eyed Avalokiteshvara. And in this ritual written by Nagarjuna, there is a portion where we receive the cities. And at that place where we receive the cities, then we imagine that in front of Avalokiteshvara there is then Ananda. And we imagine that we supplicate Ananda for whatever siddhi or accomplishment we wish, and then we receive that siddhi. And so this is how it is formulated in the ritual by Nagarjuna. And so it is as if we can say that there's a real connection between Avalokiteshvara and Ananda. There are also sutras that say that Ananda is an emanation of Avalokiteshvara. So because it appears this way in the ritual for the thousand-armed, thousand-eyed Chandrazik by Nagarjuna, that's the reason for doing this here. Another way of thinking about it is that Ananda showed great compassion in asking the Buddha many times to give women the vows. And so this is a great practice that comes out of his great compassion. So in this respect, we can say that Ananda is similar to Avalokiteshvara in his deeds and in the example that he gives. And so for that reason, we imagine in this ritual that Avalokiteshvara becomes Ananda and then supplicate him and make aspirations.
Dana je pavatuji shebodi sangye thamjege the niji thamji jit bibiransu tu chale yore. And the Indusane Gungo Diga, Daji, Karsu Pumela, Tuzewa Shamo, the Niji Shamo, Ginzeva, to stand on Imbre, the Indusane, Pavacheres, the Gungo number Kuati, Kandar Tigi, Tiguni Checha Anzu, Gungo, that is Karsu Simjamze, Angus Pumena, Tuzawa Shamo, Adrechiavati, Trenji Pachichari Usre, Tushim Treji.
Avalokiteshvara is the embodiment of the compassion of all Buddhas. And Ananda showed great compassion for women in particular in his deeds. And so when we imagine that Avalokiteshvara becomes Ananda, it is what this represents is that Ananda has great compassion for all sentient beings, and in particular for women, and this becomes a way for us to recall his great compassion.
And Dana, that did the Shesha, and Tangi Consuvan and Singi, and Azudaji, Nani, Uma, Talo Haseng Elia, Rojini Elia, Mazu, Jume Kuju. So we go here. Captain Bugaramchi, Yansi, and the Cadre, Bezu Shuche, and Daji, they are Munjin or Chare. And the Rangusana, and the Rene, and the Kisi, Chinangi, Dada Dingy, Liso, Tamje, the Ringu to Choi Bina, and Captain Dangarmichi and see the answer that the Kashur there. To make the Tolia and the Dentish to Arabsk, Azutus, and the Ardus here. Daine, the Tachido, never was Yomare. That the Shine, the Lang Mimon or Trigure, that the Motra Trigure, Shine or Trigure, Jane Usana, and Kissi, the Motra, the Chumina, and Azuda, Nimakashi, but Chidenche or Chumina. Chidin Cheje, and that is Mujiruchuna, having Merason to stand on. And Machine to make Gujugalia, Tukumamutus musician, and Jema Tukushung the Same to make Gujugala Gugni. Oh, that to make Gujutu, that Muzish Kazata Uzuche or Samarati, the Regic Nisarena, Kaduinet in the Chesi Mare. The Macheji. I think I heard the Lusane, Jugudin, Damidaji, Suji Jujing the Chere. The Lusane, Shungi dis Gageor. Shungi dis Tel Tamdrayor. In Azuji Gogol, God, and that will deal with the Suju Bajing the chair. That in a Yale. Galene, Haji Sumshi Madojin with the chair on it. That is a Jugusadi, Muzija Chegumodo, musician Mamudo, Abe musician, Hame musician, and Daji, Kajure, musician Maweza, missing with Chegu Samare, and Dram the Mangushi store. The range sang a musician in Yurdashi.
You all might remember, but it was a year or two ago that during the Winter Dharma gathering, we started looking for the reincarnation of Bokar Rinpoche. We searched for and found the reincarnation and brought him here during the Winter Dharma gathering. And so now, if all of the external and internal conditions work out properly, if there are the proper signs and so forth, it's quite possible that we have the hope that we will be able to look for, recognize, and recognize the reincarnation of the Lord of Refuge, Tengar Rinpoche, and bring him here to this Winter Dharma gathering. But it's not certain that this is going to happen. There's no definite thing that's going to happen. It's possible that it might happen. And so in case that it does happen, then we may well have to extend this guncha for a couple of days, just have a couple of extra days. But this really depends upon whether it's going to happen or not. It's actually, these recognizing tulkus, it seems like it's happening a lot during the nuns' Winter Dharma gathering. And it's happening so much during the Winter Dharma gathering that I think everyone's going to start coming down here. They're going to wait until the nuns' Winter Dharma gathering, and then when this starts, they're all going to come and really start pressing their requests and saying, you have to find these tulkus. But it's not possible that it's always going to work out like that. Actually, before, when I was in Tibet, I recognized 30 or 40 different tulkus. At that time, the government was a little bit strict about it. We couldn't do it all openly, but there were 30 or 40 tulkus that I did recognize at that time. And then when I came to India, there weren't so many, perhaps only 3 or 4 tulkus that I've recognized since I've come to India. Actually, it's no longer necessary to have someone recognizing tulkus because lots of people are willing to do it. Some are recognized by their fathers, some are recognized by their mothers. There are all sorts of people who are recognizing tulkus these days. So it's not necessary to recognize them. It's not necessary to recognize them anymore.